All right, so we are here. This is called Shippensburg Road parking lot in Pennsylvania. And today we're doing something different because look at the weather. And it's gonna rain all day. So today we got what's called a slack pack, where we found a local shuttler guy named Junker. And he drove us to the top of this mountain, and 11.5 miles we're gonna hike south today back to the hostel so that we can have hot showers tonight. But we've got the next 11.5 miles to hike south to get back. And it is right now in the 50s and raining, and this is what we're wearing. We're not exactly toasty, so we're going to have to hustle today. The sound of cicadas has been deafening over the past week. Today, not any cicada sounds, and so Gilbert and I were just saying that maybe cicadas stay indoors in the rain in their little cicada houses under a leaf. I don't know. But we definitely are not hearing any cicadas right now. It's like nice on our ears. It's quiet. Rain. Let's all be quiet and listen. A bird and rain. We're doing another short day, 11 something miles, so. We are a couple miles, no, more than a couple. We're several miles into our 11.5 mile day, and kids are not happy. They're both cold. It's about 60, low 60s, 62 maybe, and consistent rain. And hands are cold, legs are cold, kids are grumpy. You want to say anything? You're smiling, but she's not happy. He is not happy. Okay. Got to be like the prettiest shelter here. It's got flowers hanging from it. It's got like a swing. It's got a covered picnic table. Yeah. And then you've got places to hang your food so that the mice don't get them. It's just really pretty. Whoever maintains this does a really good job. You could definitely get like warm and cozy, dry out your socks and stuff. Look at that. You've got a little table made out of a stump. You've got a bear box over there.
Yeah.
Like, you got, those are for tents.
Close to here.
Okay, this is so stinking cute. You've got the spring, which you wouldn't want to drink necessarily this water that's like coming through the camp, but you've got a spring like right here, a little frog, a sundial, Oh, look at this, guys. There's like a fairy garden castle over here. This is like a little slice of paradise. This is so cute. There's a privy somewhere. I don't know where. But this is so cute. We're here at this really beautiful shelter. We're not staying here. We're going back to the, we're hiking south to the hostel. It's been a really tough day, emotionally. The terrain has actually been really easy and predominantly downhill. So our terrain today has been one of the easiest of this whole trip so far. It's been mostly walking on a ridge line, and the trail's been really flat and sandy, not very rocky, but Janelle's just had a really, it's alright, it can swim. Yeah. Janelle's had a really hard time with the rain and just with morale today. So in general, it's been a tough day. We're close to the hostel with a couple more miles to go. We're trying to knock them out and then just get warm and fed.
Temperature is about 63.
Yeah, so we got this thermometer here. It's about 63 degrees. Alright, well, we made it to Caledonia.
Such a tiny beach. We found like 6 newts so far. Yep.
It was raining for a few hours. It's been it stopped raining a couple hours ago, but we're all cold and we are wet. Our feet are soaking wet, so I'm gonna try to get to. Oh, that's fun. Try to get back to the hostel and dry out, have something to eat. We're starving. We're back in the hostel. We finished 11 and a half miles in about 4 hours, 4.5 hours. We stopped at the Bonfire Burger restaurant on the way back to the hostel.
And ice cream.
Burgers and ice cream, yeah. Although the kids got grilled cheese.
And ice cream.
And ice cream. And I got cheesy fries. And a Coke. And then back to the hostel for showers, more laundry. And then tomorrow morning, back in the trail for, I think 2 or 3 nights. I believe 2 nights in the woods, and then we'll be at a Super 8 motel with a pool. So that'll be really fun.
Today's Friday?
Today is Friday, and
I thought it was Saturday.
Tomorrow's Saturday.
Oh. So we've been on the hike for almost a whole week. To a few more days, right?
Yeah.
Of this week.
It's not supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to be dry.
What if it lies? Which it probably won't. Because remember, somebody said the weather channel was 90% wrong, or right? I think he said wrong. Yeah.
I don't know. We're coming up to a stretch where there's going to be like places to stop and get food and treats and snacks like every single day. So we're going to get really fat in the next week on ice cream and soda and french fries and stuff like that.
Can we lose weight when we hike?
Well, we've been hiking for like 10 to 12 hours a day, so yeah, probably. We hiked really fast today because of the rain. We were practically running. All right, so we're going to sign off and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, Rosie.